Hello everyone, my name is Saheba Khan and currently I am doing data science and business analytics internship at the Sparks Foundation. So here is my task one of my internship where we're gonna do predictions using supervised machine learning. The task is based on the basic implementation of linear regression where we're gonna predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based upon the number of hours they have studied. So in the step 1, I have imported all the required libraries such as pandas, numpy, some machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn.model selection, scikit-learn.matrix, and etc. And in the step 2, we'll do data pre-processing. Here, we will upload the data set from the URL which was already provided in the task description. Now let's try to understand our data. Here data.head will give me the first n rows of my data. By default, it will give me the top 5 values, and .tail will give me the bottom n5 rows of my data. .shape will tell me that there are 25 rows and 2 columns which are present in my data set, and .columns will give me the names of my column. And unique will return the number of unique values for each column. Is null.sum will return the sum of null values. Since there is no null values, therefore the sum is 0. In the step 3, we'll do some data exploration. Here data.info method print information about the data frame including the index data type and columns, non-null values and memory usage. Data.describe is used to view some of the basic statistical details like percentile, mean, standard deviation, etc. In the step 4, we'll do some data visualization. This will help us in identifying a relationship between number of hours studied and the percentage of score. Here I have also built a regression plot where you can see that there is a linear relationship between the number of hours studied and the percentage of score. Now in the step 5 we will train the model. Now we will prepare our data for the model training by performing train test split to divide our data set into two parts, one for training and another one for testing. I have created the object linear regression which will then be used for fitting the model with the training dataset. Now here we will try to compare our predicted marks with the number of hours studied. Now here we will try to compare the predicted marks with the actual marks, as here you can see. Now we'll try to visualize the predicted marks with the actual marks for a better understanding. Step 6 is evaluating the model. Here you can see we have find mean absolute error. It is basically the difference between the actual or true value and the value that are predicted, and mean squared error is calculated by taking the average of the square of the difference between the original and the predicted values of the data, and root mean square error is the standard deviation of the errors which occur when a prediction is made on data set. Now here we can predict score of a student if he or she have studied for 9.25 hours per day. So the score will be 93.893. So here is a model fully built. Thank you for watching.